Yeah, I mean, it was very disappointing to miss out on a test match, especially when you've just started playing test cricket. But yeah, things like this happen, and I'm just looking forward to, playing these matches, getting a couple of matches here. Haven't been playing a lot of cricket. The last time we played days cricket was a Ranji Trophy final. So it's been a while since I've played days cricket. So this will be an ideal opportunity, and the conditions here are tough, and it's going to test my fitness. So I've been working hard in Bangalore training with the NCA trainers. So yeah, I'm looking forward to this opportunity here and to getting back and scoring some runs for my team. Yeah, see, it's not the end of the road. There are so many more opportunities, so many more tournaments that we can prove ourselves. And, there's Ranji Trophy, like he mentioned. We play 50 overs and 20 overs cricket. And there are a lot of other opportunities for players to perform and, make a mark and let the, come into the selectors' radar. So, CLT20 and I don't think will make much of a difference, but it was a great platform for guys to perform, and yeah, but I'm sure there are more opportunities for players to do well. It's a very big platform, very big opportunity for young players. When we toured Australia last year, mid-June, that was my first India tour, and you get a fair idea of the kind of pressure you will have to face when you play international cricket and you're playing against the best 11 from a different country. So the competition is very high. The pressures are different from what we face in India in Ranji Trophy. So it just builds character for a player and gets him, fairly ready for the international cricket. So that way it's helped us a lot. The gap is mostly the mental aspect, the pressure, and the things we have to go through emotionally and mentally. But physically, and when it comes to playing cricket, I don't see a big difference. I mean, it is different situations. We go abroad, you have to play different on different wickets. In India, you get different wickets, but that's the challenge for a cricketer. I've always felt that there is no substitute to experience. We can, as youngsters, we can train as much as we want. We can train for 6 or 10 hours a day, but if we don't know what are the kind of pressure we go through in the middle, then there is I don't see a point of training so hard. But with Rahul Dravid being with us, in the Indian team and with the under-19 team, he's going to share his experience. He's going to guide the youngsters in the right way. He'll because we hardly get to talk to players who have been through the same pressure, been through the grind, and they know how it is to come back from a failure or how to be successful. So he's been through everything, and the knowledge and the experience that he's got about the game is only going to do great wonders for me individually and for Indian cricket and for the youngsters.